White petroleum jelly. One of those finds at Costco. You can get a ton of it for a little bit of money. What's it good for? If you take some cotton balls, rub the petroleum jelly on the cotton balls. Take a magnesium fire starter. It will light, stay lit. Great for starting a fire. You can use it in adverse conditions. You can use it when it's windy. Excellent, excellent fire starter. You can use it as a healing ointment. Put it on cuts and scrapes, etc. It'll also protect those wounds, which is also important in a survival situation. You can use it as a moisturizer to moisturize the skin. If you forget to use it as a moisturizer, it's also great for things like chapped lips, chapped hands, protection from frostbite, windburn. Put it on your face, your hands, your exposed skin. Protect it. White petroleum jelly is also great for maintenance, lubrication, using it on things like zippers, to keep zippers functional. Hinges, locks, you can put it on metal to reduce the chance of rust. It can be used as a quick waterproofer for leather materials, boots, gloves. Again, prevent the rust. I'm sure there's other things that we could use this white petroleum jelly for. What would you use it for? Put it in the comments. Share the information. Make sure to visit us at freedomandfoodways.com, Instagram, Freedom and Foodways, and on YouTube at the Freedom and Foodways channel.